Welcome guys, crypto quick market update. Guys, we're gonna go through Bitcoin, crypto, stocks, market in general. In my last video, I was talking about how we touch this trend line, which goes all the way from 2017 on Bitcoin. And basically every cycle for Bitcoin and crypto in general ended as soon as we touched this trend line. This is 2017. We touched it, went into the bear market. We had the double top in 2021. We hit this once. We retraced all the way to this moving average. We tried again. We couldn't break through. We bounced below, went into the bear market. And this is the current cycle. 2024/2025. As you can see, we touched this twice, we couldn't hold it, we reject all the way to the moving average right here, and we trying again. So here we are. The question is this time gonna be different? Usually it isn't. Just to summarize my previous video, guys, I've said everyone is looking at this trend line now. Okay, it's a beautiful trend line, very easy. You can just basically mark it from each cycle top and you're gonna come up with a line. So everyone is watching this and everyone is preparing, like, okay, we might probably bounce off it again, like we did it so many times. We did it twice over here, 3 times in the previous cycle, and so far we're doing it a third time this cycle. And I said, like, guys, we're probably gonna go slightly higher, and then, when everyone will be raving about, like, yeah, we breaking all-time high, we own, we are in the all-time high territory, we're going higher, we're going to 150, 180, 200K, 500 fucking million, whatever. That's when they're gonna dump us. And yeah, basically, I mean, if you look at all those previous cycles, like anytime we were here, okay, like at the top, everyone was screaming and, selling houses and, like buying Bitcoin for that or altcoins. People were going like, oh, people were taking bloody credits, like from the banks just to like put some money in. But you don't do that on the top, okay? You do it right here. This is where you can do it. That's how you make money. You buy low and sell high. But the thing is, like, there is something with psychology, okay? Like, people want to ape in when everything is green, when, everything when it feels safe to buy. But the thing is, it's completely opposite. It's not safe to buy here, okay? Because from here, the risk reward is huge. Like, if you dump from here, let's say you put like 100K in Bitcoin right here, and then it drops 50%, your 100K is not worth 50K. And yeah, okay, you might argue like, okay, Bitcoin is a long-term vision. Sure, no problem. But why do you buy it here instead of buying it right here on the bottom, like when we're below this 200 moving average on the weekly? That's where you want to ape in, okay? Because your 100K is gonna give you, like, if you buy it here for, let's say, like 20K, that's gonna give you 5 Bitcoin versus 1 Bitcoin, sorry, versus 2 Bitcoins over here. Same in this cycle. Why would you buy Bitcoin at 120K? I understand, like, there is news, okay? Like, yeah, okay, bank's gonna use it, like, every single company is using it. Guys, it's all the news, okay? The news supposed to make you feel safe. Buy the rumor and then sell the news. Okay, so whatever the news is, so you want to buy Bitcoin or basically assets, what everyone's saying, like, it's going to zero, like it's not gonna do anything, and it's a scam. That's what you want to buy, and you want to sell when people are saying Bitcoin is gonna be used as a currency. Bitcoin is gonna be adopted by companies, like it's gonna be on every single major company balance sheet. That's what you want to sell, because from this point, what other news you can get to push the price higher? Like, if you think about it, like Bitcoin, what other news do you like? How many people haven't heard about Bitcoin yet? Okay, Like, what other news do you need to push us higher? Like, we literally have like Trump talking about Bitcoin going on like a Bitcoin conferences. We have major companies like buying a little bit of Bitcoin, like putting the Bitcoin on the balance sheet as a reserve for the company finances. Like, what other news do you need? Like, don't get confused. Like, I don't think anyone's gonna use Bitcoin as a payment. Okay, so all that narrative that Bitcoin is gonna be used, you can pay with Bitcoin, and I think it's bullshit, guys. Bitcoin is gonna be a store of value. Okay, that's the main purpose of Bitcoin. It's only 21 million Bitcoins. Few millions of them are lost, so they will never be in the circulation ever again. For example, Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, he's got quite a lot of them. He's supposedly dead, so he hasn't touched them since, I don't know, years. Okay, but yeah, what other narrative do you need? Your job as a trader isn't to sell the absolute top. Okay, your job as a trader is to be profitable. You want to, I know it's so simple, but it's not at the same time, because it's completely against the psychology of people, of new traders. You want to buy low and sell high. Okay, right now Bitcoin is high. I've already sold my Bitcoin. I sold my Bitcoin between 103K, and the last batch that I sold was 100, I think 109. Okay, I wasn't waiting for the peak or top. I still think we can push to 130 more or less. Why would I risk it? Okay, I bought Bitcoin somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here in this range. I didn't buy the peak or bottom. I didn't buy the peak or top, but I bought it here and sold it here. I made profit. Okay, and that's your job as a trader. You want to buy low, sell high. Okay, and the news is crazy. Okay, I'm following other channels. The main reason why I started this channel is to not bull post and not bear post. I want to be in the middle. I want to be with whatever the market gives me. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so if market gives me lemons, I'm fucking making lemonade. Okay, if they give me orange, I'm making orange juice. I'm gonna work with whatever I've got, whatever the market gives. And I've seen so many good traders that I follow myself turning bullish. They've been bearish all the way from here, more or less. They've been bearish, 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 bearish. And now, after all this time, they turn bullish up here at 117K. Guys, this is nuts, okay? This is not how you do it. Like, one thing, I mean, can Bitcoin go higher? Yes, it can. Okay, but if you don't take profits right here, I think, like, if you bought Bitcoin right here and you don't take profits over here, and you're not comfortable to hold this Bitcoin through another cycle, another bear market where it might even drop to like 50, 40K, if you're not prepared to do that, and then maybe sell in another cycle, or maybe wait another cycle and another, that's absolutely fine. But if you're not prepared to hold it, why are you not taking profits over here? Where, if you look historically, this is where the bull market ended. I don't know. I mean, feels really weird to me. And like I said, back to other traders I follow, like they all turning bullish over here. Like even I think like yesterday and 2 days ago, I don't know, something switched. Like they see we are above this trend line, and they think, I don't know, maybe they think we're gonna do another leg to 200K. I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm not saying it will not, but I think is when you look at the odds are against you of Bitcoin pushing actually higher. And we did open a short on BTC. As you can see, we short more or less the top. We adding to the short between 122.5K and 126.5. The stop loss 128 200, 30x short. We already in the short, which is already in the profit. This is, by the way, the Discord is absolutely free to join if you want to trade stocks and crypto with us. We also have the general chat where you can talk to us. A lot of market updates. It's all free. If you want a little bit more trades, little bit more access to us if you have any questions, or if you want us to track some smart money wallets for you, or the coins that you have, guys, you can become VIP. I mean, it's funny. We probably have to raise how much it costs, because obviously there's so many calls in the Discord, like so many different trades, like every single day. This is not like one trade a day. I'm talking about 10 to 20 trades a day. So you can make a lot of money by being a VIP. And the cost of a basic VIP is $30 a month. The cost of the a little bit better VIP, which gives you more perks, is $60 a month, and you can join as a lifetime VIP, which at the minute is $1,100. And every time someone new joins as a lifetime VIP member, that price increased by $100, and you can pay with crypto. Guys, I think that's it. If you want, join the channel. If you like the videos that I'm making, if you want to see more, obviously leave a like, subscribe, etc. And that's it, guys. Until the next one, please don't fuck up, okay? Don't long right now. Just wait for the pullback if you're still bullish, guys. Thank you very much. Until the next one. Bye.